Same old boring Sunday morning, old man's out washing the car. Mum's in the kitchen cooking Sunday dinner, her best meal, moaning while it lasts. And Johnny's upstairs in his window, sitting in the dark, annoying the neighbours with his punk rock electric guitar. This is the sound, this is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Every lousy Monday morning, Heathrow jets go crashing over our home. 10 o'clock, Broadmoor siren driving me mad, won't leave me alone. And Johnny is upstairs in his window staring at the night. I said, hey, what you listening to? There's nothing there. That's right. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. Practicing the singer's bedroom. Drums are quite good, the bass is too loud, and I can't hear the words. This is the sound, this is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs, driving you wild. This is the sound of the suburbs. Yeah. This is the sound of the suburbs, the one that I want. This is the sound of the suburbs.